Hi, I'm Paul Harvey. I am Professor of American History here at UCCS, where I have taught since 1996. My specialty is American religious history. I teach all kinds of things, but that's my research specialty. And I'll talk about a couple of different things that I'm working on right now. One is a book for Oxford University Press called Religion, Race, and Democracy in American History. It's about exactly that subject that the title suggests. And it's about sort of the yin and yang of American history, in which we have more expansive periods of American history in which we have a kind of more capacious sense of democracy, and then we have periods of more restrictive sense of democracy and often more racially restrictive sense of who could be included in the American body politic and what religions are more acceptable. And my book is a kind of tracing of the periods in which those two forces kind of interact with each other through the long period of American history from 1789 to the present. I'm also, as a second project, and this has to do much more with our local history, working on a book called Religion, Politics, and Culture in Colorado Springs and the Front Range, 1871 to the present. 1871 is the founding of Colorado Springs. And this is a book that is funded as part of a larger project funded by the Henry Luce Foundation. And working with colleagues on this. This is a project in which we're working on a documentary film. We're sponsoring speakers to come to campus and doing a variety of other things. One of my parts of this is to work on this book, to collect essays and to edit these essays written by scholars in the field, and these essays will be about all periods of Colorado Springs history in which religion has played a central kind of role, dating back from the founding of Colorado Springs with William Jackson Palmer, who grew up, of course, as a Quaker and brought that sensibility to early Colorado Springs history, the very important role of liberal Protestantism early in Colorado Springs history, the very important role of conservative evangelicalism later in Colorado Springs history, and more recently the kind of variegated role of various different kinds of religious groups that you can see in the region today. One other project that we have just kicked off last year and we're continuing now is the establishment of a new center here on campus called the Center for the Study of Evangelicalism. This is the only such center existing now on a public university anywhere in the United States, and our goal really is to promote the nonpartisan, non-ideological academic study of the very important force known as evangelicalism in American history, American culture, American life, and to approach it from as many different perspectives and academic disciplines as possible.